In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Privado VPN app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts that are interrupting you from this VPN, you can disable them by just following these simple steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, first I want to mention that I'm doing this on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info page. And if you can see this app info, you should see a settings gear like this, or even the name of the app here. Tap on any of these to access the Privado VPN app info page. From here, go to permission section and look for notifications. My notification section is here. So if I tap on it, you can see all these 6 notifications are turned on. Among them, notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications. With this on, you'll always receive those alerts. To disable all of them at once, just toggle off show notifications, and this will disable all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive notifications or alerts from Privado VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.